Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to Cruising Complete. Day 3. Last day on board.
Yeah.
Sunday. Upside down Sunday.
We have to get some things done and then we can finally do anything we want.
Yeah, we got to get the rest of our stuff finished this morning so we can enjoy the rest of the day, right? I'm getting off at Coco Cay today.
Yeah. He keeps on taking me through the solarium.
The solarium, the adults only area.
And I'm the only kid that probably gets allowed to walk through.
Well, you can walk through the solarium, you just can't stay in the solarium. Kind of like the casino. You can walk through the casino, you just can't stay and gamble in the casino.
I want to gamble though.
I wonder if that's Utopia with us in port today. We're at Coco Cay today. So we're gonna go get something to eat and something to drink for breakfast, something small. And then we're gonna get off on the island. Probably gonna go do the splash pad. Yeah, go do the splash pad and probably eat lunch on the island.
Oh, Royal Caribbean is saying bonjour.
Bonjour. What's for breakfast today? A donut. Chocolate donut. Light breakfast before we get off the island and we'll go run around. I got a cinnamon roll and a chocolate donut. Because we're going to eat a lot for lunch on the island probably, so this way we won't be too full, right? Anyiah is getting a caramel frappuccino. So something to note, at Cafe Promenade, the coffee is Starbucks coffee. It's all Starbucks branded now. So they don't have a standalone Starbucks on this ship. But Cafe Promenade does serve Starbucks. Is that caramel frappuccino any good? Yeah? It's gonna have you wired with energy? Yeah. That's the goal, so you got plenty of energy to burn on the island. Oh, it is windy here in between the ships. Just got off. Anyiah's getting blown away. The wind is gonna carry you back to the ship. On our way to Coco Cay. I think this is your favorite island.
Yeah, it is.
Are you gonna go on the pirate ship playground?
Yeah, I'm gonna first go on that and then the other one because I want to go on that pink slide so bad because I was too scared to go on it.
Look at the dancers. You're gonna go to the splash pad?
Yeah.
Alright, let me go find a table over here. Okay, Utopia and Freedom of the Seas from the pirate ship splash pad. So the pirate ship splash pad here is complimentary. Free for the kids to play. Anyiah found the Oasis Lagoon. It's like the largest pool in the Caribbean or something like that. They got a swim up bar at the hut over there. This pool is massive. Kind of put it in a better perspective. I like how they have the walk-in area without the stairs too. So I wanted to point this out. Right behind, we're at the Oasis Lagoon pool. There's the walkover bridge by the bar. But right behind there, there's like a grassy area. So if you're not a fan of sand, but you want to come enjoy the area, pretty cool little area you can lay out in the grass. All right, we are tracking. We're gonna go hunt down the snack shack. They got some hammocks. Y'all can come lay out in the hammocks next to the beach. You want to get in a hammock? Be careful, it might flip over on you. Let's see if Anyiah flips out of the hammock.
How do I do this?
Jump on it. Put your feet up and balance your weight.
I'm not jumping. I'm too scared.
I'll try to hold it. Try being the key word. Get in the middle of it. There you go. Scoot to the middle.
You have in the middle.
I'm gonna let go.
No. Oh my God.
Now you swing.
No.
Swing.
No.
She's holding on for dear life.
No. Dad.
All right, you gonna get off now?
Yeah.
Come on, slide off.
I'm done.
I see some of the cabanas, overwater cabanas and day beds that you could rent on the beach.
Bro, there's a slide into the ocean.
Yeah, the cabanas out there have slides. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
All right, we found the snack shack. Let's go get some food. What do you got to eat?
Mozzarella sticks and
Cheeseburger. They got sauce up there. They got ketchup and stuff if you want to go get some. I got the crispy chicken sandwich, mozzarella sticks. You can order the secret menu item, which is literally the chicken parm sandwich, but I kind of get it to make my own. So, the way it works. Do you know about the chicken parm sandwich, Anyiah?
No.
You don't? We're going to show you. Let me get it situated here. So, you take your mozzarella sticks and you put them on the chicken sandwich like this. This chicken sandwich is kind of folded. There we go. So you got mozzarella sticks on the chicken sandwich, it's rolling off. And then you take your mozzarella sauce and you put it on top. And then, boom, chicken parm sandwich, y'all. That's how it's done right there. So here's a look at the Snack Shack's menu. Shack burger, beef burger, the crispy chicken sandwich, beef hot dog. Y'all, the brownies are good, the funnel cakes are good, the cheese sticks. Little look at what they got at Snack Shack. Anyiah wanted to take a dip in the ocean. Said she can't come to Coco Cay if she doesn't go to the beach. We live in Florida, we never go to the beach, so.
Very good, Elaine.
Bye, Coco Cay. Heading back to the ship. Bye, Norwegian's private island. Back to the ship we go. Hi, Utopia.
Hello, Utopia. How are you?
We should get on Utopia, Anyiah.
No.
No, you don't want to get on Utopia?
No, it's probably going to a different country.
Oh, maybe it is, but it'd still be fun.
No, I'd rather be on Freedom.
You'd rather be on Freedom?
Is fun.
You like Freedom?
Yeah.
But I thought, didn't you say that you liked Wonder better than Freedom?
They're the exact same, so they're both in third.
Well, Wonder is the same ship as Utopia, though.
Okay.
So if you liked Wonder, then you would like Utopia.
Okay, and Freedom.
Freedom's smaller, though. It doesn't have as much as Utopia.
I don't care. It's adorable.
All right, Anyiah decided to get back on the ship and go to the hot tub. You see the back of her head and braids bobbing in the hot tub. Pool deck is still kind of quiet. Everybody's off on the island. To give you a general idea, let's throw up a little bit of the activities they have on the ship today. Scroll through the last day. We got laser tag today as well in the ice skating rink. Now I forgot her closed-toed shoes, so we're not going to do the laser tag. But a little idea on Mother's Day of what they have on the ship. Not sure what we're going to do for dinner tonight. If we're going to do the main dining room or Windjammer. Probably going to see what other activities there is and go from there. The last night on the ship, so we're going to try to fit in everything we can. Might go see the pub singer tonight. We haven't done that yet, but see how the rest of tonight goes. But that's a little look at what's available for the cruise planner tonight. After 2 hours of swimming almost.
His fault.
Swimming for 2 hours, where are we going?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, sprinkles. All right, sprinkles time. What flavor did you get? Mixed? Chocolate and vanilla? Is it good? I love the elevator corridors. The artwork is so cool. Little F-16 planes. Alright, onwards to the stateroom so you can change out of your squeaky shoes. Back to the room, and we got boo. Boo. Luggage tags, yuck.
Yay.
What you mean, yay? That means it's the last day and we gotta get off the ship tomorrow.
And that means I can take the train.
Oh, you're just excited about the train ride. But boo, I don't want to get off the ship. They just blew the horn. We are pulling away from the dock. Utopia is about to leave too. They was blowing the horn right after us.
Bye, Coco Cay. Bye, Utopia.
Coco Cay. Oh, look, there's people out there on a helicopter pad on Utopia.
And ours too. Look down. There's some ours too.
Yep, bunches of people out there on ours, huh?
Yeah. And there's some of the workers over there.
Yep, you see the workers down there on the dock? Those are the guys that undo the straps for the ship, the ropes, and let the ship go. They stay on the island.
They're lucky to stay on the island.
Bye bye, Coco Cay.
See you in September.
What you got there?
Yeah, fried dumplings, salmon, fries, and mac and cheese.
And a virgin colada?
Yep.
Oh
And
boy.
obviously a virgin colada.
Alright, I got a little mix of everything. I got a sugar-free Red Bull, some grilled steak under there, some roasted potatoes, mac and cheese, a hamburger patty, and a salad. We got to show them the thing at the front. It's Mother's Day this weekend, so they did a display at the front. We got to show that. That's pretty, isn't it? Alright, here's a look at dessert. So, coconut ranger cookie, carrot cake, rum cake, royal chocolate cake. Wanted to try a little bit of all of it. That's a look at the display they have up for Mother's Day. Up in front of the Windjammer, all sorts of cakes, goodies, donuts. Dinner was good. This little squirt's going to get in line to check in for the kids club again. Alright, Anyiah is at the kids club. She's been begging me the last hour to go, so went and dropped her off. I think I'm gonna head back to the room, change clothes and get ready. Probably go head down to the casino for a little bit, play a little bit of craps, and then see what happens later. Alright, so night 3 in the bush. We really didn't do anything after dinner tonight. You just went to the kids club.
Yeah.
I went to the casino. We really just kind of chilled, right?
He gambled, I played.
Yeah. How was Gaga Ball in the kids club?
Good.
Yeah. Did you win?
Nope.
There's always next time, right?
Mhm.
Alright. Good trip though, right? Next trip.
Icon of the
Icon of the Seas coming up next. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching. And remember,
if you're not cruising, you're losing.
yes ma'am.